I love, and if you really do, I love him, man, you. Love him, bro. I mean, I pick no side for nothing bad, man. I love him, brother.
Alright, hold on, guys. Me try to
When
go
you
to
come out
because...
and rank a business, you don't love chat too much. You don't come out with business.
Hello?
You don't always
You
shame
can
on
come.
yourself, bro.
You can speak
Low
after,
Annie and
please.
low D, you don't do enough. To us, a man, you see what I was saying on table and laugh at you. Rush up on the pussy hole.
Jabba,
Much
stop it
time I
nice.
teach you
Jabba.
that.
Me don't care if you want, tap it nice.
Bill, me tell you for Bill, bro. I love when you see me down and shut to the mouth.
But if you talk,
Yeah, hey boy, we are DB pussy. Every minute you can see pressure go over in that tap. Every minute you pressure.
you know you want to take woman job done, brother. Why you tell the woman that? I know she's to go cuss.
No, me I say. There, man. Annie. Annie, oi.
Oi.
Annie.
Oi.
You know, say every time you come, your pressure go up and you're
Yeah,
not
you
tapping
Jabba.
nice. Miss Pretty go suck out your mama, Miss Pretty. Miss Pretty go yam out your mama, Miss Pretty. Now what black you fire again?
Every time I
Suck
walk.
your mama, Miss Pretty. Think off and go drunk for germs.
That,
Yes. June the 4th, 1984.
Yeah, hold on.
Tamika
Because
and
well, I'm
Mary
moderator them, you
Davis.
know, but when we black and mute to the post work, I'm moderator them get me mad this
That
morning because
122 man
everybody
feel
can
like
moderate.
Ultra
If you boy come over here and
Yes.
get chance to come post.
Huh? Yes.
Or pretty girl Shan, I'm not giving a pretty girl Shan the
Yes.
moderator. Pretty girl Shan. Pretty girl Shan. Oh. Give back your moderator, my baby. Because I take off
I
everybody
don't
when
want
this
to park
morning, you
with
know.
face.
So you get it back the girl. Pretty girl, Pickers, go suck out your mama and Pickers. Let me tell you, say if you don't want to style, Annie, go over jail.
Yes, my son. No. Hmm?
Wait a minute. Chavas.
Pardon me?
And you're 41. Now you just said, now you just said, brother. You're wicked, you know.
Come on from my life, Olivia Adrian. Come on from my blood clot life. You can't tell me because when you out your mama too, you're next.
What's mine?
Come on from my life and go away. You they grow me. You the blood clot grow me, big stinking Olivia. You they grow me.
And it
Now
look good for 40.
Olivia, you they grow me. Or suck out your mama.
And it look younger than Rosalie.
Lily, Wagwan. Yeah, I can't wash with every dog. Active.
And it look younger than Rosalie. That's a one thing, you know.
Move first and I miss a mix up. We can't call Rosalie anymore, yeah, man.
Man, I get
You like problem?
you afraid of some man.
Jaden, where this square chat me say?
May I say, you look younger than Rosalie.
They said the marker.
Oh, we are doing shake one. Shake one. We are dealing with. I see you now and be seen.
I think you
Me run on this way. Me run away, man. Me run away, Miss Piggy Wiggy. Me run away, yeah? Oh. Me run away, Piggy Wiggy. Now I'm prison. You know what you do, yeah? You know what I do? Me run you with me speaky wiggy. Oh.
So one. Yeah, me see.
Someone when I read someone comment, you know, because someone that will read. If you hear me accept you and I reply to you, I show your blood clot makes sense, make me I reply to you. If you see a comment and I reply to your fuckery, I make a sense in a make. But it's like you make cause a woman that thinks a piggy wig, you sense she make. And she up in a foreign and look good. So me cuss them. Someone when I cuss someone because I'm a dog. Oh. All you depend junker. Me say laugh at a blood clot. Now look for your girl.
I'm here so that I told you time. So Mika, come here. You carry back. You now go back at home.
Yeah, big one of my life goal him now.
Alright, do nothing.
Ayo, we still on look for me and bite to be a batty man, brother.
I need me a look pan, brother. I'm to you.
Oh.
Hold on there, when you say alright.
I go avoid every woman bumbo blood clot body over here. I go avoid the whole of them. The whole of them we see us and the whole of everybody.
I want go on, Jabas.
Yeah?
I want go on.
No,
No, I say I avoid you.
I wait for the doctor now. I feel like left. I whole heap of people down here, sir. Hey, me got me had there, man.
Stay away there, man, and drop down.
A whole heap of people down here, man. What do you know to do now, sir?
So we can go to a private doctor, Annie?
Private doctor send me here, sir, too.
Oh.
Guys, please, pull up. Eh?
Annie, here we do. Give me a phone and drop down for spite, then we look at you first.
Where is it?
Give me a phone, then just walk and drop down, then we look at you right away.
No, sir, true, though.
You have a cheeky crowd.
Bro, if you keep on telling me, say them admit me, I not stay down here, you there? Wake here, I not stay here, sir. I not admit. Well, I fall back a hole of one then. Better me drop down. Say, well, I'm not life, I not stay down. I first go in here. Wake here, there. Wake here. Well, fuck off. I not tell you so. Well, fuck off, no one left me hospital. You mad? Yes, sir.
I'll be careful, you know, darling. I think you should stay, you know, if I for half an hour.
Jabba say one of them are go left me. Them a tell me say me I go get admit. Better me not stay.
You not get admit, girl. You mind a blood vessel, you know. What you need to do, sit down, drink some water, and just relax and see the doctor just relax. Don't try to go back home if your pressure, if you feel like your pressure is high, Annie. You have to take your health very seriously.
Annie, I need to stay.
Yeah.
Annie, you have to work for your pressure. Pressure have to go down, darling. Nobody run go away and look for yourself. Your health is important. All right.
It will analyze you, you don't want to see your kids.
Jaden, not like you know glad if me get analyzed. They can kill you.
No man, the grace of God over your life, Annie, man. We speak life and not death.
I can't believe I said that.
No, Mika, me I go Mika, them look here. Me no wanna admit. That's all me no wanna admit. Me can just stay for a couple minutes.
Annie, listen to me, Annie. Listen to me. If you admit for your pressure to go down, just hold it and just know say I want one deal. It's better than you're there home and it's serious and worse as strokes, blood vessel bust. You know what you do, Annie? You know what to do, it might look nice and you run everything. You don't know what's going on in your body behind your pressure.
And then when you go home, you go on the pan life and people go cuss, so you go and cuss them back.
Yeah.
Annie, you have to take that totally serious, Annie. You will go home and fix everything alright and you keep up with one side of your dead, you know. You have to know what you're doing.
Alright, give me a chat. Who has stayed me? Somebody stay, who has stayed me?
Somebody have to stay with you. I don't think nobody should go away. Nobody should go away. You're at the hospital. They
Come,
Where them for you?
Hey, let me cuss them.
Come. So Chanel, you come?
How they come with their care and go about them business? What the fuck?
You see you? I Chanel at about 8 hospital, everybody are go left me down here.
Well, make it go my blood clot yard. And you putting them for town with you.
Chanel 8 hospital and love man when I want to. They have to tell the hospital with you. Or send him home.
TT would never.
Hey,
TT would have
TT
stayed
would
with
In a
you.
never.
heartbeat. In a heartbeat, TT would have stayed.
Yeah.
Come on, Alex. Yeah. What is the man?
Make
Yeah,
Alex stay
Alex,
with
when
you.
must
Make one of
stay?
them them stay with you. Yeah, Alex, stay with the mother you. I want mother you have, you know.
Yeah?
Actually, go and see a blood clot.
Alright.
Brother, I tell you go suck your mama, brother, you know you.
Come, walk.
Go and wear your blood clot, your maga like a stick. Your maga like a blood clot stick. You don't see a TT a win. You don't see it on no weight. You don't see it on no shape. You don't see it on no face. You don't see a TT a blood clot with your ugly girl. Go and wear your go, man. What was it?
A long time I want to tell them.
Boy, nothing there, nobody laugh for your maga.
But we don't look so. You look like seahorse.
Yeah, they say look like seahorse.
I mean, I'm Jennifer.
That's why Camille look better than you, know.
You look like camel.
And if somebody say guava leaf, they say guava leaf. Guava leaf good for
No, make the doctor tell Annie what good for you.
Because Jabas, the doctor tell me specific say don't eat no garlic, and everybody keep on say eat garlic, and the doctor want me say me not to do it. So that kind of weird.
this way doctor say, cause doctor.
Annie, just pray that the doctor don't watch TikTok and don't like you, please.
One walk, yeah.
Chat, they say so young with them number one person. When they send me big gift this morning, follow her now, please.
I don't mean what everybody doing yesterday.
Annie, just hold it, mama. Just hold it at the hospital because listen, sometimes you feel like you're alright, like you feel good, you know. And then you just smash up. And you're going to hear say a TikTok your husband make that happen to you. So you have to try to protect your reputation and your health at the same time. And you need rest. You need rest, Annie. Check at this man in your up. You need rest.
Yeah.
Yep. You do know
You need rest, Annie.
And then maybe get charged on this side here.
Yeah.
Let me charge them. No time. Wait over here, sir.
Chat, if you not follow me yet, click your follow button.
There's a TT's every other.
If you not follow me yet, click your follow button. Everybody, no matter what side of the
When I see TT, Jabba, there's a TT's every other.